Greetings everyone. In my previous tutorial, I talked about clearing cookies and cache in Microsoft Edge. But if your preference is to use Google Chrome, I want to show you how to do the same thing in Google Chrome. I'm going to go up to the top right hand corner of Chrome and I'm going to click on these three dots. When I get here, you'll notice that there's an option here that says Clear Browsing Data. And I'm going to click on that. When I come inside here, I have basic and advanced data. I can choose the period of time in which I want to clear it. But in a nutshell, what I'll do is I'll come in and clear everything by clicking on Clear Data if I'm noticing any kind of performance issues in Act Premium Cloud. And once I've done that, I'll relaunch Act Premium Cloud after logging out to make sure, or to see, I should say, if the issue is related to cookies and cache. So these are some of the things you learn to work with when you're using Act Premium Cloud in a web browser. Thank you so very much. You have a great day. Bye now.